Hello there. Today I'm going to be assisting you creating a login with Clean Energy Experts so that you too can start buying leads within our system. The first thing you're going to want to do is head to our corporate website at www.cleanenergyexperts.com. Once you've gotten to this page right here, you know you're in the right place. I do want to point out that in the top left-hand corner of the screen, there is a client login button. And that is where you're going to come once you've actually created your login. But for today, you are going to click the big blue Buy Leads button that does turn yellow once you hover over it. And you will be redirected to this page once you've clicked that button. You're going to go ahead and fill out your first name, last name, email address, a good password that you can remember, of course, and your company name, phone number, and zip code in which you reside. But don't worry, so long as you are buying leads within the United States or Puerto Rico, you can shop anywhere you'd like. When you're done with that, go ahead and click the I agree to the terms and condition, and then the sign up button at the bottom, and we will meet you on the dashboard.